Yo, what's up guys, it's Iron J Moto here, and today I'm going to show you the LED lights on my 2017 Iron 883. On the front of my bike, I got the Wisamic 5 3/4 LED headlight and the MZS 1157 turn signals with 48 white and 48 amber. What I like about the turn signals is that they run white and then they turn amber when you use your blinkers. And the headlight is extremely bright too, so it matches the turn signals, which is amazing. I also put in the rear of my bike the MZS 1157 red turn signals. Not only is the road ahead of you going to be brighter, the people in front of you and around you are going to see you, which is going to be a huge safety upgrade. Hope you guys like how these LEDs looked on my bike, and if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below.